Hey there, Licknriffers! How are you doing? Today you're going to discover a really cool way to harmonize the E major scale in order to create a Latin jazz samba style chord solo. Okay? And most of these chords are the same shape. Okay, you just move them around. Now, let's talk about the shape for a second. Okay, we have E major. So all we're doing is taking the E major scale, okay, and harmonizing it. The main chord shape is this. Okay, it's 12 12 11 11. And this is our main shape. Okay, it repeats on 12. Okay, 12 12 11 11. Then it appears again on 7, so it's 7 7 6 6. Then it appears again 2 frets down on 5. Then it appears on 2, so it's 2 2 1 1. And then you have E. So in between, what you have is the same shape with a slight variation. So instead of 4 4 3 3, you're gonna have 4 4 2 2. Okay? That's all. Instead of 4 4 3 3, you just take the first finger down 1 fret and you have 4 4 2 2. So now you have this. E. And then you can have the same different shape on 9. So you have 9 9 7 7. Okay? So once again, E and then original shape, extended, original, original, extended. And remember, you have 12 12 11 11. So this is the last chord we have. Now put the extended shape on 11 11 9 9. Now you can do this. This works well. But it's not exactly the E major scale. If you want to stick to the major scale, okay, because this sounds awesome and it's easy. Okay? You just play 11 11 9 9. But if you want to stick to the major scale, all you have to do is play 11 10 9 9 and you get this chord. Okay? And now you're fully inside the major scale. So once again, you can do 11 11 9 9. Or you can have that extra chord shape with 11 10 9 9. Okay? You get that Latin jazz chord solo sound. And yeah, it's that easy. So have fun. I'll see you in this week's From Amateur to Awesome special broadcast. Save your spot. The link is below in the description. And I'll see you once again in the next Licknriff lesson. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Bye for now. Have fun.